Hello, my Facebook family and friends. Today I am coming to you to give you an update on my croton. So, I realized I hadn't given you an update. I think I did a video on her last winter, and I was supposed to do one in the summer. Somehow or another, she just got skipped. I apologize for that. But this is her now. She is doing lovely. She's in the plant room. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that's what's going on right now outside. But they're warm inside. Yeah, so this is her. She's about 3 feet now. And she's doing quite lovely. I am happy. I'm happy that I haven't lost any leaves this winter. And usually I'm not sure. I guess this room is good for them in the winter time. So I'm going to keep them in here, and then, I don't know. I got a little damage. Just might be wind damage from being on the porch. But yeah, it's okay. The leaf is fine. It's just a little bit of damage. Yeah, so in this plant right here, it was a plant that was in a little flower pot, and I had some room in this here pot, and I stuck it in there, and it is growing. I'm loving it. I love this. It's growing. So I'm going to leave it alone until I find another pot, which probably won't be to the summer. So, but this video is about my croton. Yes, so she is doing beautifully. I am happy. I am happy. Now, why are my leaves shiny? Okay, so in the fall, before I bring my plants in one of my videos, you will see that I spray them with a neem and water and soap, neem water and soap solution to get rid of any larva that's on my leaves, any bugs, because I don't want to bring any bugs in. And I honestly have to tell you that it works. I haven't had any problem at all. Any problem at all. And usually I have spider mites or I have aphids. But this year I have absolutely nothing. And my leaves are shining. They're shiny. So everybody, yes, this is my croton. And doing good. I don't know how to propagate it. Yes I do. I would propagate it like I did my corn plant, but I'm not going to propagate it. I'm not going to propagate it for a while. I don't know if I will. If I do, whatever. I'll cross that road when I get to it. But yeah, I'm going to do a plant giveaway soon. So so stay tuned for that. And so in the meantime, guys, remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things, okay? God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like my video. God bless you. Until next time. Bye.